In meadows green and forests wide, nature's wonders, a source of pride. Amidst the beauty that we treasure, a gentle plea, be kind to nature. The rivers flow, the mountains stand, ecosystems flourish, hand in hand. With gratitude and love, let's nurture, be kind to nature, a sacred culture. For harmony with earth we seek, respect its balance, gentle and meek, preserve its essence, a vibrant feature. Be kind to nature, our ultimate teacher. Presenting the new limited edition backpack by bluecon.co.uk. The link is in the description below this video. Thank you for listening.